Hi guys, today we're in Surrey, known very well for its landscape and greenery. It also has the Chelsea football training ground and a multitude of hospitals in the area. Now we all know that nurses are always looking for temporary accommodation, and that is why my student Susan decided to pick Surrey as a great place to have a rent to HMO. The question is this a profitable investment? Hi. How are you? Thank you. Oh my god. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
The finish on this place.
Yeah, it's a really good finish. It was freshly refurbished before I picked it up.
Perfect. Thank you.
Yeah, turnkey. So I just had to refurbish the place. Didn't need to do any structural work, flooring or walls or anything.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, perfect. So, shower.
Yeah, so this is the shower for the ground floor. We've got one room over here, which is facing the front of the house. And then we've got a smaller room. And we've got a smaller room just there.
Okay, perfect. Do these lights turn off automatically?
Yeah, so there's censored lights that's supposed to be saving for cost effective and for electricity. And they go off when nobody's in the corridor.
That's amazing. And you also have your fire alarm tile.
Yeah,
it just all looks really super clean and fabulous.
The kitchen's really lovely, good finish. We've got everything you need for all of the tenants here. You know?
Okay.
Yep.
So you've got a single cooker. How many bedrooms does this sound?
So there's 7 bedrooms in total in the property. And we've got 2 fridges just to serve the 7 people who are in the house, because I think one's just not enough.
But it's super light and it's super airy, which I love. Yeah. And there's a lot of space. I mean, you've got like a whole double cupboard here, is like your storage and stuff?
Loads of storage.
Yeah.
I didn't know that it was actually possible for me to actually manage my own properties. So meeting you has been great, learning the whole rent to HMO strategy.
Yeah.
And picking up this property in particular was just fantastic for me, because I also work full time.
Yeah.
And this place didn't need much work. It had great finishing. So I just came in and then I just furnished the whole the entire house, and then I was able to get tenants in as well very easily. So that was great.
And we cheekily saw her tenant outside.
Yeah, we did, didn't we?
I know, and I think he's gonna take it.
Yeah, I hope so.
He seemed like he loved it.
Yeah.
But is it cash flowing you well?
Yes. So it's cash flowing me 1k.
Okay.
Exactly. A little bit more, a little bit less.
Yes.
Yeah, because it can fluctuate. So pretty much I've got all the rooms in. That's about 5,750 that I make from all of the rooms, and then I rent the property for 4,250. So I have a £1,500 profit, and then £500 goes towards the build and the maintenance as well.
And that's perfect, because the communal areas all just switch off automatically. Have you found, obviously it's been sort of spring, summer, have you found it being, going up? Our utilities go up much when you think about like gas or anything like that.
So when I first took on a property, the utilities were actually on a prepaid meter, so I found that the cost was a bit more higher. Then I switched over to a monthly repayment, so that's actually brought my cost down a bit.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah,
it does.
Yeah,
it does. I mean, we know we've been all things HMO on your journey, but I know recently you've made a bit of a big decision, which I'm so excited about. But do you want to just share with us what that decision is?
So I've decided that I'm going to buy a property. I've been able to secure a really good amount of funding, so I'm going to buy my first property and convert it into a HMO, so a VRRR project. So I'm excited.
So excited. Did you ever think that within 6 months you would be buying a house?
No way. I didn't think it was possible. So it was really good that Jael's come into my life and given me the push to actually just go for it. Because I did try in the past, but then I was knocked over. I got some no's, but Jael was like, make sure you just try again. She gave me access to her power team as well. So I was able to successfully get funding from Jael's power team. So
yes, so you've spoken to our broker and you managed to get a mortgage in principle and raise finance. So what is your ideal, obviously now we're on the hunt to look for the perfect investment or deal. Are you looking for a mega HMO, or are you looking for something small to start with? Like, what are we doing, Susan?
So I think my first project is going to be a smaller HMO, probably 4 bedrooms. And then when I take on my second project, I'll have all of the knowledge and I'll have learned everything from my first project. So then I'll go for something much bigger. Now let me show you upstairs.
Exciting. Cute, cute, cute. I love mustard. Cute. So how much is this room going for?
This room is going for $750.
$750. Okay, and is this what kind of size scale is this in the entire house?
So this is actually the second to the smallest room in the house.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
But the other rooms in the house actually have kitchenettes in them. Some of them, a couple of them. So I've priced those a little bit higher at $800.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And this will go for $750.
Yeah.
That's amazing. Well, it's super cozy. Do they have space for wardrobe? Would this be like this space?
Yeah, so this is going to be the wardrobe space.
Yeah.
I've got a wardrobe outside. I just need to fix it up and put it inside.
Okay, perfect. Our next step now is to buy a house.
Yeah.
And for me to stretch you a little bit out of your comfort zone and get you something that is giving you a lot of cash flow.
Yeah.
Something that we can add value to.
Yeah.
And we can refinance, pull the money out and go on to a typical buy-to-let or HMO mortgage.
Yeah.
Yeah, sounds like a plan.
That is the plan.
Okay, amazing.
Let's do it.
Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. So, guys, if you enjoyed what you've seen today and you want to know more about what we do in Wealth Creators, go ahead and like, share, and subscribe. Go ahead and like, share, and subscribe for more videos. And hey, if you want to become successful in property, if you want to become financially free, if you want to have a plethora of rent to rents, raise some capital and buy your first ever house, go ahead and click the link and join us at the £1 masterclass with Wealth Creators. We'll see you soon.